Hello, I'm JoAnne Reifsnyder. I'm the Chief Nursing Officer for Genesis Healthcare. Genesis is the largest operator of skilled nursing in the United States. We have 361 sites of service in 25 states, so a diverse geography, and we have a diverse set of services and programs as well. At Genesis, as a nurse, you'll be surrounded by expert nursing colleagues and an interprofessional team inside the center and outside of the center supporting the frontline work. We have a close alignment with Genesis Rehab Services. That is our group of physical therapists, occupational therapists, speech-language pathologists who operate and provide therapy services in gyms in each one of our buildings and side by side with nurses at the bedside. We also have respiratory therapists working in a subset of our centers, mostly where we have pulmonary programs. We also have a close alignment with Genesis Physician Services. That is our practice of 450 physicians and advanced practice providers, most of whom are advanced practice nurses, also called nurse practitioners. They act as the attendings, providing medical care in about half of our centers, and also work side by side with our nurses and are an important part of the interprofessional team providing care to our patients and our residents. As far as specialty programs, we offer many different looks to nursing inside of Genesis. First, with short stay, we have patients who come to us after a hospitalization to recover and to rehabilitate and to prepare to return home and to live as independently as possible. We have cardiac management programs, pulmonary management, and a new specialty in stroke management. We also have American Heart Association accreditation for a number of our centers in heart failure management. And we're very proud that we both helped to develop that accreditation program, the standards, and we piloted that program with the Heart Association. We have mental health and wellness subspecialties in a number of our centers, and another new specialty in substance use disorder, bringing safe and effective care to people with that disorder coming to us after an acute illness and a hospital stay, and helping to prepare them for a safe return to the community. In long-term care, we also have several important specialties. We have a focus on palliative and end-of-life care and partner with hospices in every one of our sites of service. We also have a palliative care resource team staffed by our own Genesis Physician Services and nurse practitioners. And those practitioners are able to partner through virtual consults and in person in some cases to provide palliative care services, including goals of care conversations and symptom management recommendations. We have many memory support programs on specialty memory care units for people who are cognitively impaired. And in several sites, we have ventilator units where patients come to us sometimes for longer term care and weaning in some cases, or for chronic ongoing ventilator care for those who need it. So very specialized nursing care in those units as well. Genesis is very proud to have earned many quality awards from the American Healthcare Association, which offers 3 levels of quality awards: the bronze, the silver, and the gold. And we've earned several gold awards as well, which are relatively difficult inside of that quality awards program. We're also proud that our first center has been designated as a Pathway to Excellence site. That is similar to the Magnet program, also offered through the American Nurse Credentialing Corporation, or ANCC. So it's a magnet type program for smaller hospitals and for long-term care facilities. Very few long-term care facilities have received Pathway to Excellence designation, but our Schuylkill Center in Pottsville, Pennsylvania did just that. Pathway to Excellence is all about shared governance, putting nurses in charge of nursing. And when we have shared governance in place in Pathway to Excellence, designated centers, and in other locations, all outcomes get better. Nurses are more engaged and nurses stay to develop long careers with us. We have many diverse and interesting roles for nurses inside of Genesis. First is bedside care, which is extremely important. I want to say a word about geriatric nursing, often associated in a long-term care setting with passing meds or doing treatments or documentation. But at its heart, geriatric nursing is so much more than that. Geriatric nurses need fine-tuned assessment skills to carry out comprehensive assessments of people with complex chronic illness, to help them to cope with that, to live fully, and to detect subtle changes in condition so that they can stay well and avoid hospital care. We have roles for nurses in case management. We have care transitions nurses who are supporting both the transition into the center from acute care as well as from the center back into the community. We have nurses functioning in population health roles, in nursing informatics roles, so technology, and nurses in every site of service who are dedicated to infection prevention with a nursing education role as well underlying that. There's so many benefits in a career at Genesis. We provide advanced skills training for many specialties, for example, advanced wound care, infection prevention, where we provide both intensive training and internal certification, as well as preparing nurses for external certification. And we pay for that, both for the preparatory materials and for the certification exam. We offer tuition reimbursement so that nurses can continue their academic work. We have many licensed practical nurses who are earning their registered nurse preparation. We have RNs earning a BSN, many obtaining master's preparation, and some pursuing doctoral degrees as well. We've been expanding our career ladders in 2020. These recognize and reward nursing achievement. And we have leadership development programs for nurses who want to move their careers from bedside to leader roles. I hope that you've heard how we truly value nurses at Genesis, and I hope that you will consider a career with us at Genesis Healthcare.